I'm more worried about your safety than the feelings of somebody else, mine included. Okay? Your safety always comes first. Kidpower Maine is based on the premise that we want to teach people of all ages and backgrounds how to be safe, make wise choices, and believe in themselves. We teach that in communities and in schools by doing workshops, and we focus on things called people safety, how to be safe with and around people. We'll do this. This could be from people that are being bullied, or people that feel unsafe in a community or a place that they have to walk on their way home from school, and just how to also empower us to talk about our boundaries and what we think are okay and what we don't think are okay. How to speak up for ourselves, in other words. Well, my name's Bo Jesperson. I live in Mount Vernon, Maine. I'm a father and a husband. I've been a coach for most of my adult life, whether it was coaching snowboarding or skiing or soccer, and I just love working with kids. The more I worked with kids, the more I wanted to be involved in some of the larger problems we face as we're growing up in our society and in the world. We have to learn more skills, it seems, to deal with problems or issues that come up. So things don't get stuck inside and bring us down. We actually have to use these lessons as ways to empower us and make us stronger, to navigate the world with some confidence, not be worried about what could be around the next corner.
Hi, my name is Dr. Lou Jacobs, and I'm a board-certified pediatric chiropractor who works with kids of all ages. And recently I've come across this program called Kidpower Maine that is directed within the state of Maine by my good friend Bo Jesperson. This program empowers children to be strong, to be confident, to deal with strangers and other people in a respectful and compassionate way. I've attended Kidpower Maine, and I can tell you that Bo does a wonderful job of empowering your children to get out of sticky situations, to avoid conflict, and to manage the bullies on the playground and in the classroom and in other parts of their lives in a safe and effective manner that cultivates the growth of a great human being. Kidpower Maine is amazing. You need to contact Kidpower Maine at maine@kidpower.org and talk to Bo about how you can get your family enrolled in this program.
Okay. In the future, I'll be working with all ages, from teens to college age to full adults. But right now, it's 6 to 12 is the area we're focusing on. The plan is to get it into as many communities as possible. Schools, churches, Boy Scout groups, any type of summer camp, anywhere where there's kids that are gathered, preferably with parents even. We want to discuss how these skills can be useful to them and how they can start using them in everyday life to make their world happier and safer. My name is Bo Jesperson. I'm the Kidpower Center Director for Maine, and I look forward to working with you and your children on how to be more confident and safe.
Today I went to Kidpower Maine with Bo, and he's a great teacher, and I learned all about how to be good with strangers, and I learned all about safety and stuff. So I think you should try Kidpower today.
3 big elements that I want you guys to use as you're going through life is how you act and how you stand will have a lot to do with how people treat you. We say people will bother you less and listen to you more if you show calmness, awareness, and confidence. So in Kidpower we think even when you're small, maybe you're only 1 year old, you already have all this power to tell the world things that you like, things that you don't like. People safety will be skills that we'll learn on how to be around and safe with other people. Okay? Like I said, speaking up, telling people what you think is safe and not safe. So we'll be doing a lot of that. We call it in Kidpower your uh-oh feeling. Or you meet somebody and they're doing something you think might be unsafe, your gut tells you something's wrong here. Scientists are now calling it our second brain. You'll notice sometimes with bullies specifically, they act kind of how they feel. Right? So if I don't have a lot of confidence in myself, I might try to make other people feel less confident. If he gave himself what he called like the circle of safety, so even the guy couldn't kick him from where he was. If he gave himself that distance, he was safe. Anka, let me call on you this time. Okay, I want her to use, and she knows this, I want her to use that circle of safety just to stay out of my reach. All right, here we go. Whoa, where are you going, little girl?
Stop. Please move.
Very good. Hey, wait a second, I'm not done talking to you.
Keep going. Keep going.
Yeah, there.
Good. All right, as soon as I get in front, you'll give me a fence, and you'll say, stop, please move. Nice and firm, okay? Ready? All right, go for it. Where are you going?
Please move.
Good, very good. All right, all right. And you can keep going. Good job. All right, go firm. Did you notice her eyes? She's looking right at me. If she said, stop, please move, I may not take her so seriously. Say, hey, I said leave me alone. At this point, it's important that you're using your voice. I want people around to hear that there's sort of a problem. If you're just saying like, hey, stop, I said leave me alone. A teacher's not going to hear that, or your friends won't hear that. So you speak nice and firm, okay?
I have a safety problem.
Anka, do we have to talk about this again? I'm sure you can deal with it with your friends on your own, okay? And she's got to say, I need you to listen.
I need you to listen.
Okay, I'm listening. What is it?
I have a safety problem.
Let's say some kids are playing rough at school.
Okay, some kids are playing rough at school.
Can't you guys deal with that on your own? Do I have to help with every problem in this world? So you're going to say, there's more.
There's more.
Someone could get hurt.
Someone could get hurt.
Okay, okay. I suppose we should talk about this. Thanks for telling me. Good job. Even if it's uncomfortable to talk about, they will do everything in their power to help you. Parents, is this true?
Yes.
Yeah.
Good. So that's called that Kidpower Protection Promise. I will keep telling until I get help. It seems in this world it is really hard to give a compliment and for someone to accept it. It seems like you give a compliment and they'll be like, oh, it was nothing, or it really wasn't me, I didn't have anything to do with it, or geez, I finally did it right. Taking in compliments is how you build up some of your self-confidence that we talked about. This time I would like you to stand up, Leo, make your fence to me, and say, stop or I'll tell. Very good, very good. Have a seat. Excellent. We're looking now for any place that is a good location for a new workshop. So if you have a location that you think Kidpower would be of help to present there, please contact me at my Facebook page, Kidpower Maine. I also have a website, kidpowermaine.org. Yeah, what about that lollipop? Can we go back to that part?